something I miss is, for example, now if I use PlaceMesh and I use populate, you'll see that that doesn't fly because these guys don't follow the shape. So how do I get it to follow the shape? It's actually kind of tricky. So I can kind of like hack it though. So I can loop these guys and say PlaceMesh and say populate. But you'll see even then it gets to be a bit funky there. Why is that? Honestly, I don't know. I could try to do this and then go like that and PlaceMesh. I do not think it will help. No, it doesn't help. So, what to do? I think we'll use we'll use a plugin. We have to use a plugin, and in this case it seems like Micro's Ultimate Clone is the way, and these settings right here, hit OK, and it should be good to go. You can see that those are kind of like in the middle now, but they are absolutely correct. Switch. Why can't I? Okay, and so I'll make it have to rest on the Y, right? Like that. And do that over again. Loop. The ultimate clone, and this is more like it. So, and now you can, I mean, there are different ways to go about that, of course. You can copy these guys out and undo. I think I'll just do that actually. It's easier to just go like undo that and then paste that in. There's another way to do it as well, and that is you could have gone like that and converted that to edges and deleted those edges. But yeah, so that's kind of like how you do it. I wish there was an easier way though. But yeah. This is the way.